Okay, so here's my website, freeware collection for students. Okay, if you come over here, you can find some nice software that's convenient, including LibreOffice, Scribus, GIMP, 7-zip, VLC Media Player, just some links. I'm going to be adding more in the future. So here's LibreOffice. I recommend you donate because, quite frankly, it'll help these wonderful softwares keep producing more updates and keeping up with people like Microsoft who try and gouge you, and $10 for donating is quite a bit cheaper than a couple $100 for Microsoft Office. Okay, so if you click there for the download, you can find this here. And then here you have your download. Once it's done downloading, you can click on that, or since I already have it downloaded, I can just come here, open up that, downloads, LibreOffice, right there. Now, Microsoft, they always do this. You'll want to select Run. LibreOffice is safe, so right now it's just running some system stuff to check if you have the correct space. Okay, select Next. I typically like to do custom installations. It's always a nice thing to do. So this is the options. Here, I can just select what I want. If you select this feature will be installed on the local hard drive, it means it will be installed, period. Just do that. This and all its sub-features will be installed on the local hard drive. That means if you can say here, like this one, if I go here, if I do this, it won't necessarily install all of these. However, if I do this, it will guarantee that all of these are installed. Okay, so you'll have this one you probably won't need, so you can save some space by saying do not install this feature. You'll need a press, you'll need a calculator, calc, and writer. Those are three things that are quite frequently used. The draw and math and the base, not everyone's going to use it necessarily. However, draw, it can be fun to have. It's basically Paint with some ability to do publisher stuff. So, next. Okay. This is setting it as the default application for things. Basically, when you double click on your .doc documents, which are Word, or .docx, which is the newer Word, if you double click on it, it usually will open up in Microsoft Office. However, you can, if you have that, but you can, when you install this, select these to make it the program that automatically opens up those files. Okay, create start link on desktop. That's a good thing to do if you want it. And then you don't really want to do this. This will make your computer start up really slowly. However, if every time you turn on your computer you use LibreOffice anyways, yeah, you can do that. But it's not as, I wouldn't highly recommend it. So install. Now we're just going to be installing. I'm going to pause the video recording and bring it back up when something comes up. Okay, I'm back. It says installation wizard completed. That means it's done. Just click finish, and hey, you've now got LibreOffice. So you can go over here, and you've got LibreOffice 3.6. Just wait a second. Microsoft Office, you'll notice they have all the Word, then they have Publisher, and all those, each individual thing. LibreOffice has a unified launcher, so you can just launch them all as one program, essentially. So, just wait a second for it to launch. Okay, while it's bringing that up, I'm going to show you something that you can do if you want. Come over here to Computer, C drive, go into Program Files, I believe x86, you'll find LibreOffice 3.6.1, or 3.6. You come into there, and you can go Program. Then you should be able to scroll down, I believe. Here we go. That's scalc.exe. You can go here, copy, then you can do paste shortcut. There is the individual shortcut. Here, select that, copy, paste shortcut, copy, paste shortcut, copy, paste shortcut. Then now I just need, here's the one I want, finally, copy, and then paste the shortcut. So, now if you look at this, you have each individual part of the program that you can launch from. You can use these 5 pieces, that is all of the pieces, or you can use this one, which launches essentially all of them at once. Then, once I have this is the one that launches all of them at once, you'll see here is your formula, drawing, text document, spreadsheet, presentation. You can just create whatever type you want. This is create a new one, or you can go into open, and you can go, hey, I want to open something, and open whatever type you want. I'm just, for the example, I'm just going to create a new text document. Okay, I just wrote hello world down on my document, so there you go. It's running properly, and nice thing with this, from each individual part of it, they're still connected, so I can be in the writer, and I can say, click here for the new, and create a new spreadsheet from inside the writer. And now I'm in LibreOffice Calc. So, there is how you install LibreOffice.